The hem feature within the sheet metal tools allows you to quickly create a hem by selecting an edge. So if we select out this top edge or this back edge, it's going to allow us to create a hem. We have a few options with the positioning of the hem. We can put the bend outside as well as have it material inside, and we can also flip the direction. There are 4 different types of hems you can create. A fully closed hem, and with this hem we only control the length. An open hem with both a radius that we can control as well as the length. A teardrop, in which we can control the angle as well as the radius. And lastly, a rolled hem, in which we once again control the angle and the radius of that bend. We can also change the K factor if we'd like, as well as changing the relief type. And the relief type will come in if we decide to change the hem width. So just like an edge flange, we can come in and edit the profile. We can go ahead and drag either of those points, as well as giving this some sort of length if we want. And maybe a dimension off from the side. This will automatically add whatever our default relief type is within this sheet metal part. In this case it's rectangular, but once again we can come in to the custom relief and change out what kind of relief we want to use. And just like any other edge in a sheet metal part, we can continue to add features on top of those edges. And then just quickly add in any hems that you want to add.